Okay, so today we're going to be doing a review on the new Anastasia foundation that they released, the liquid foundation. So I was actually in Ulta and I went to another location because I live here in Columbus and we have one at Easton and we have one, we actually have a few Ultas. So anyways, I went to the one like super out the way and I stumbled across the foundation. Like, okay. So I was just looking at it and I figured that I'd just go ahead and do a review on it. And they have quite a few colors. To be honest, I'm really nervous because I was kind of stuck in between two colors. I have a really weird skin tone. I really probably should have bought two, but I only bought one. So yeah, so I have the new Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This is the Luminous foundation. It claims that it has a medium coverage. It has a luminous natural finish. So I think that this should be cool for me. I wouldn't say that I really have oily skin. I mean, my nose can get oily sometimes, but for the most part, you know, it's cool. So this is it right here. Disregard this. This is from when I was doing my eyebrows, but this is the one pump. So I'm going to apply this with my Wet n Wild flat top brush. It's a little dirty, so just mind your business. It looks kind of orange on camera. So I typically like to go a little bit darker because my body is darker than my face. So, ooh. My hair bag. You see what I'm talking about? Like, look at my shoulder, dude. What do you guys think? I look like somebody's Oompa Loompa. But I mean, in person though, it doesn't look too bad. Like if I had to choose, I would rather go darker. What do you guys think? I'm going to use the NC45 that I had left on my hand from doing my eyebrows. And I'm just going to fill that in. I feel like the NC45 is like the balanced lightweight that I needed. Because I was feeling like, I mean, it's a little dark. So like, okay. So typically when you're like matching your foundation to your neck, it's like you don't want to, like, you want to make sure that you still maintain a little bit of that lightness that your face was, or that your chest probably is, or else you're gonna think that you look weird. So you always want to kind of add that back into your foundation. I'm gonna blend the part that I put along my jawline out with my foundation brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend the rest of it with my sponge from Fenty Beauty. And I'm just being really lazy right now, and my Fenty Beauty sponge is definitely dry. Give this video a thumbs up if you done did your makeup with your beauty blender dry, because you don't feel like getting up. I feel like all of us, we were just like programmed to always use your beauty blender wet. Like, I feel like that was like, I mean, don't quote me because I haven't looked at a beauty blender box, but like, was there like instructions on the beauty blender box that told us that we were supposed to wet the sponge, or was that just like something that we came up with? I definitely feel like this is a good match. Like, does it look good on camera? Fix it, Lord. I feel like it looks really good right now. Like, I feel like this looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and contour now. I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover. And I just have a little tiny one here because I did go and get the kit that she made for makeup artists. And this is like the refill bottle, and this is in the shade W7. And I'm just gonna go back in with my foundation brush, and I'm going to push the product upward and then slowly bring it down towards my mouth, like kind of like that, the side of my mouth here. And I feel like that really slims my face out. Like if you guys watched my epitome video, or if you guys found me from my epitome video, then you guys know that my face definitely gained weight when I started taking epitome. And girl, making sure that I like properly contour has been it's so important now. Because if I don't, like my face I'll just look like somebody's potato. And who wants to look like a potato? I mean, I'm a cute potato, but a potato nonetheless. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set all of this with powder, and I'm gonna kind of finish up the rest of my makeup. And then after that, I will come back kind of with obviously with the finished look. But I'm gonna come back with my thoughts on the foundation, and we'll go from there. Final thoughts on the Anastasia foundation. So first and foremost, I really like the undertone. Probably my favorite thing about the foundation. And I will say that the reason why I kind of keep harping on undertone so much is because, I mean, essentially undertone is everything. So like if you can't find your undertone in a certain foundation, then you're not going to be able to wear it because it's not going to match your skin. So I feel like in a lot of other foundation lines, I was kind of let down because I'm like, dang, like it's like I have stuff that's like close to my skin tone, but then I feel like something is off. Or like I have a lot of situations where I feel like the foundation just ultimately looks dirty on my skin. Like I feel like it has like this muddy appearance that I don't like. So anyways, even in the NARS, I couldn't find my color. Like I was always in between colors. Even in the Lancome Tante Doll, I love that foundation so much. But just looking at this foundation and just like looking at the undertone, like I can even tell, like even the mix I was doing in the Tante Doll, like I just feel like it was still like slightly off. So I'm very, very impressed by the undertone of this foundation. I really feel like it matches my body. And I feel like I'm always like doing the most. Like usually I'm trying to use like a contour shade or something that has like a red tint to kind of like bring it down to my tone, because I have like a weird skin tone. Like my skin tone is kind of like golden, but it's still like really warm, but it's not red, and it's not olive, because I thought that I had like an olive skin tone, but every time I use things that have like an olive undertone, I feel like it makes me look dirty. Like I literally look like I accidentally mixed like black with my foundation or something. It just looks muddy, it looks gross. So love, 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 love the undertone. And again, this is 470C. So 470C is definitely my shade in the new Anastasia foundation, and I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I actually have nothing but good things to say about this, and I'm so surprised because I feel like I'm one of those people where if it ain't broke, like I'm not gonna fix it. So like I don't usually go looking for a new foundation, but since I was in Ulta and I seen this and I'm like, wow, like Anastasia did come out with a new foundation, like maybe I should try it. So happy that I tried it out. I'm very, 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 very pleased with the results and very pleased with the Undertone. I'm just overall pleased. So that's it. Make sure that you guys subscribe. Make sure that you guys turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions, anything that you want to say about the foundation, please leave it down below in the comments. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I'll be back with another video next week. Thanks, guys.